I'd like to welcome our Decula Middle Falcons and their parents. This is going to be a video that will take you on a tour of what our students' eClass pages will look like for the 2021 school year. All pages will follow the same format, thereby making it very easy for parents and students to find the same activities in the same place no matter what page you are visiting. So let's go ahead and get started on our tour. When children pull up their eClass pages, obviously the first thing they will see is the title of the page. As I said, all pages will follow the same format. All of them look like the same picture with just different activities posted. Each page has its own activities, so each subject area would have different activities, but they will all be located in the same place on each page. So let's get our tour started. As I said, the title of the page will be at the top, followed by what we call a navigation bar that will have certain buttons that students will need to get from one place to another within eClass and within the page itself. On the right-hand side, parents and students will see a weekly glance or week at a glance that will be posted each week, giving you an overview of what will be covered in class that week. These weekly glances will be posted and left and create a chronological timeline from the most recent class, the most recent week on the top, and then previous weeks underneath. So here on the top we have week 6, underneath week 6 we have week 5. So that stack will continue and you will be able to see what was covered each week in a rolling list. On the right side will be announcements, and these announcements will be things that are not necessarily instructionally related. You might have a reminder of a test coming up or something of that nature, or they may be an announcement that has people reminded about things that might be going on throughout the school during the year. The announcements might be video notes, such as this one. Hello, Decula Falcons. We would like to welcome back our returning Falcons and welcome in our new Falcons for the 2020-2021 school year. We are looking forward to a wonderful school year ahead, and we look forward to working with you throughout the year. Don't forget, always, it's a great day to be a Falcon. So those will be the two major components on the home page. In addition to, underneath the announcements, we have what are called web tiles. Web tiles are exactly what they are named for doing. You'll click on a tile and it will take you directly to a page on the web so that you don't have to search, you don't have to type in web addresses or URLs. You simply click on the tile and it takes you immediately to a website that is relevant to what our students are learning in that particular course at that time. So that is the front page. You'll notice that above each weekly glance, there is a statement that says, please be sure to click on the calendar icon to record your attendance and access your assignments. So although there is a weekly glance on this side, the actual assignments live inside the calendar. So let's click on the calendar and see what they look like. Each teacher will post every day on the calendar their assignments for the day. Each teacher will begin their posting with the subject so that students will know when they click on a bar what subject it relates to. Let's go ahead and click on this August 12th for science and see what we have. The agenda will open up. Students will click on more at the bottom right corner. And you will see assignments that, again, are listed and written the same way in all classes. They will follow this same format. They will begin with a learning target or an I can statement, followed by a do now assignment or task. The very first do now that all students will have is, as it said under the weekly guide, to complete their attendance. So the link will be right here. They will go ahead and click the link, and a form will pop up for them. They will go ahead and put their last name, their first name. They will check the date, simply choosing the date on the calendar that pops up, and then they will select their class period from a drop-down list. Once they have finished, they click Submit, and their attendance is complete. After that particular step, if there is a Zoom link and students will be attending a Zoom session, that link will be placed right here. If the student is using Google Classroom with a teacher, then the Google Classroom situation, the Google Classroom link will be posted right here, and students will go to their Google Classroom to finish their work. Let's go to a Google Classroom now and see what that will look like. So within the Google Classroom, teachers have followed the same format that they followed back in our eClass page. There will be a do now, there will be activating strategy or a mini lesson, and everything students need will be enclosed right here within the bucket of the lesson. There will be no need for them to go out and find anything because everything will be self-contained right within the Google Classroom. For those teachers that are not using Google Classroom, the same format will apply. There will be an activating strategy, there will be a mini lesson, independent work, a summary, and the most important thing is that the format will be the same for every page, and everything students need to complete their assignment will be posted right here and linked, so there will be no need for them to try and go find it somewhere else. It will be very clear. All students and parents will be able to see exactly what was needed to complete the assignment successfully. So I'm going to go back to the page. And that basically is a very quick tour of what our pages will look like and how the pages will be set up. Again, they are all set up the same way to make it easy for parents and students to navigate and get things accomplished as needed. Please let us know if you have questions. We are always happy to help. Thank you so much.